Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you a delicious egg bread snack recipe with just a few simple ingredients. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to make. Let's begin by adding 3 boiled and grated eggs to a clean bowl. Add 2 mashed potatoes, chopped capsicum, 1 diced onion, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon chili flakes, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, a quarter teaspoon garam masala, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Add breadcrumbs from 2 slices of bread. Salt to taste. Mix everything together thoroughly using your hands. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix until well combined. Shape the mixture into desired shapes. Dip them into the flour mixture or egg, then coat them with breadcrumbs. Now they are ready to fry. Fry them over medium heat until they turn golden brown. This snack is quick, easy, and delicious to make with simple ingredients. I hope you will enjoy making and trying it at home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more recipes. Thanks for watching.